Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I am extremely grateful to the honorable members who have participated in the discussion and expressed their views on the interim budget which I presented in the House yesterday. We have had a fruitful discussion on this subject. This is a routine exercise. The House is aware that I have come with the interim budget and I am pleading with the House to pass the vote on account for 4 months under very exceptional circumstances. I would like to place on record that what I have presented to the House is not my own creation. This government cannot be held responsible for what has transpired in the year which is going by. There was another government in power. Most of us on this side of the House who are sitting on the treasury benches were in the opposition then, and most of the honorable members who are sitting on the other side of the House were either in the government or were supporting the government from outside. It is that government's work that we are discussing are the same I placed before the House yesterday. Paragraph. Now, sir, I have said very clearly that the revised budget estimates and the budget estimates for the next financial year do not reflect the thinking and the priorities of my government. I have said in my budget speech that it is our firm resolve to review the 5-year plan and to revise the budget estimates so that they reflect our thinking and priorities when I come before the August House with my regular budget. That will be the time for you to judge us. That will be the time for you to judge our intentions, and that will be the time for you to judge our actions. As I said, this is not my creation, but in a parliamentary system, we are often faced with a situation where the existing government has to carry on with the legacy which has been left behind by the previous government. Paragraph. My next point is we have talked about in our national agenda for governance that we believe in having a consensus. A point has been made in this House by one of the honorable members that we should have the same kind of consensus in regard to economic policies that we have developed over a period of time in foreign affairs and defense policies. I see no reason why this House cannot evolve such consensus. I am pleading strongly that we must evolve that consensus so that the economic policy, which has become a major tool for the progress of this country, is not subject to the vagaries of the situation. Stop.